Hello YouTube. We're going to get a few more tools in before it gets real nice out. Once it gets real nice out, we'll be switching to different projects. These have a diamond on them, said USA. Okay, there is a company that used to make Diamond Company, Diamond Brand, and Horseshoe Company out of Minnesota that used a logo like this. Not saying that's what these are, but they actually made horseshoes that you played with when you played a game of horseshoes. I think I have a set from them, even though they were newer. I may have a set of them. I have a set of horseshoes I bought 20 years ago. Anyway, if I can find them someday. If you haven't played horseshoes, they're red and blue. You get 4 of them, and I think you got the stakes in the box. We're going to wire brush this nut before we take it off. We have it loose. It looked a little crooked. I showed these when I first brought these home. I thought maybe it could have been cross-threaded, but I don't think so. It just looked crooked. We're going to wire brush this real good. So let's off do that. Enough talking. Let's make this a short video. Let's get this done. We'll be wire brushing and polishing, doing whatever we can to make them look the best. So we'll bring you back for a few clips here. Just a quick look at what we look like here. We'll do a wire brushing, then we'll be back to show you what we got. They don't look too bad. Okay, these are Diamond Brand. See the horseshoe here to the right? See the big D and the last diamond. I can't tell you, as I'm looking to the viewfinder, it's better than my glasses. I have a magnifying glass. D810 or D310. Well, there's a word down there before USA. I'm positive these are made in Minnesota. I don't want to say that's the word Duluth. We get our magnifying glass, we'll take a picture of it, and then you can all decide at the end what it is. And I'll do a little Google search. Okay, ooh, back off. We're using our little scrubby wheel. That's only like 2 inches diameter. It sure looks big, huh? We're never going to get the pits out. We're not going to sand these. We just want them clean and serviceable. So there's going to be pits in these. We're positive it says Duluth on there. We won't keep showing that. Even though we will. We took some pictures. Duluth, USA. Not sure about the number. K8 or K310. We'll leave it up to you in the pictures. But a lot better than before, huh? We're doing this very carefully. We don't want to leave a whole lot of lines in here. You get lines like across here. But that kind of looks like how the factory might have machined them. But we use different abrasive wheels. We'll probably go to this. We're sure we're going to go to this one. And then here's a gray one. We got a bigger one. We just bought another set. I swore they went up in price. I swore they were like $7 or something. I did not remember them being that expensive. So we do have another set. We're going to have plenty of arbors here after a year. We did take some of our black polish, which is the most aggressive for metal. But we used everything. Our little scrubby wheel, our red one that we show you, then our gray abrasive one. So did take the Dremel bit to the teeth a little bit to straighten them out. Got rid of a few burrs. Then wire brushed it with a Dremel brush. Nice serviceable pliers. They're not polished. They still got the pits in them, but doesn't matter. Nice tool. And made by a good company in the USA, so I will hang on to these. This is a tool will go right in my toolbox. I will keep. Made in the USA. So thanks for watching. We'll give you some nice pictures at the end, before and after. And we had enough of this for the day. We're still boiling our vice grips all day. You'll see that coming up. Boiling them in vinegar on the stove. Trying to get the rust out. They won't even open up. They've been on there for 4 hours already. So we're working on it. So stay tuned for that video.